What is up, Moto Bros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and that's flash the ECU. So in today's video we're going to show you exactly how to remove the ECU, because I did some research and I haven't found a single video on that. So we'll show you guys how to do that, and then we're also going to show you kind of the shipping process and all that, and then we have a little goodie for you guys that we'll include in this video as well. So let's get started. And the same one on the other side, and that'll release the tank. Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Alright guys, so we're on the back side now. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to remove these two closest to the tank, remove those completely, and just loosen the ones back here. Alright guys, now we're going to pull up the tank and get to the ECU. Alright, and there she is right there. So it might be a little tough to get to since you're pulling it out for the first time, so you might just need like a flat blade or a flat head or something to kind of pry it loose. Alrighty, so this one actually wasn't bad, it just kind of came loose.
Up on these and push down.
Yeah, there's some little flaps, so you just pull up and push down.
And on these clips.
Alright guys, so for the big connector, you're going to push right there in the middle where my brother's thumb is and push up this little bar. And that releases that one. And then the two little ones, you just push and pull. Just like that. And just like that. and there's the ECU. So the next step is to definitely not do that, is to wrap her up, and now we'll show you the purchasing process, and after that we'll take it to the post office and drop it off. All right guys, so you're gonna want to go to vcyclenut.com. I'll go ahead and put that on the screen for you. And so you can use this service for multiple different bikes. Obviously you have the MT-09 line, MT-07 line, the Tracer GT, the XSR 900, even a H2, several other ones, so you can go ahead and check that out. There's a full listing right here. So one of the nice things about this website is that it has full-on instructions. But what we're going to do is go to 21, 22 MT-09, so on and so forth. And then obviously we're going to click the 21 plus MT-09 store. And this is the base flash here, $250. But we reached out to the owner and he was nice enough to provide you guys with a coupon code. It's not a sponsor and get a discount. So if you use a discount code MotoBros, you'll get $20 off your purchase for anything. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll showcase that here. So we're gonna click here. And then obviously it tells you everything about it, certain things, all that. We're just gonna hit add to cart. And then we're gonna go to our cart, check out. All right, make sure that everything is what we need. Yep. Gonna add coupon code. So Moto Bros. Apply. And look at that, $20 off. So just use that code to get yourself $20 off anything you purchase from vCycleNut. And let them know that SoCal Moto Bros sent you guys. Give them a shout out. So anyways, we're gonna go to checkout. And then you're just gonna enter all your information here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Shipping method here, and choose this one, $300 worth of insurance. All right guys, so our total with everything, with the shipping, with the discount and everything, is gonna be $248.50. Obviously that might be more if you get a, you choose a better shipping. I just did the basic one. Hopefully that'll be sufficient. So you're just gonna wanna make sure everything looks good, all your information is good. All right, so here's our email. So this is gonna provide a link and a ECU flash information form, which you're gonna want to fill out and include with your ECU. This is a good reminder here. He'll be out of town from August 28th to September 6th. So you might want to do it before that, or maybe wait until after that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the ECU flash information form. And then so it's gonna want us to print out this form and fill it out and send it with the ECU. So you're just gonna go ahead and download file. And we'll go ahead and take a look at this and see what it asks for, so you guys have an idea. Alright, so here's the flashing information form. So name, phone number, year and model of motorcycle, modifications made to the exhaust intake and gearing, be specific with configuration and brand. A little example here. So for instance, me, the only mod that I have is a full carbon Akrapovic exhaust, so obviously I'll include that in here. Type of riding you do most often, balls out, just yellow. Do you like popping on deceleration? Does not apply to MT-07 or 21 plus MT-09. So for me, this doesn't apply. So I don't really care, whatever. And then here's a little disclaimer for these models here, which technically FC09 does not apply to 21 plus model MT-09. So this doesn't apply to my bike. Would you prefer an A mode that the throttle is more snappy, or one that is smoother? This is only about A mode. The other modes will be smooth on and off. The answer should only be one word: snappy or smooth. no matter your answer, A mode is still going to be the most aggressive throttle. And then optional, only answer if you are sure about what you are answering. The answer above will allow me to give you the best flash possible. I always take advantage of all the features the software allows. Any specific setting requests for the flash, example fan temp, startup mode, etc. So fairly simple. Just a little bit of information, and again, that's just so he can make sure he's giving you exactly what you want and you're not disappointed in any way, shape, or form. So make sure you fill this out, and I assume just stick it in the box with your ECU and ship it off. And that's pretty much it. You'll just wait until you get your ECU back and you're set. So we will be doing an update video when we receive the ECU back and discuss all the features that we notice and the advantages, and how much of a difference we see with acceleration and deacceleration and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll move on to the next step. Alright guys, so we mostly got the bike kind of put together just so we don't lose any of the hardware or anything. I went ahead and dropped off the ECU with that form we talked about, included inside the box, and it's on its way out there. Well, it will be. So it should get to him about Tuesday. It's Saturday today, so yeah, when we get it back, we'll hook it up and we'll do a review of it and let you guys know. But if you're in the market for an ECU flash, definitely hit up vcyclenut.com. Use that coupon code MotoBros to save $20. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.